Hello. Today I just gonna show how to troubleshoot a low pressure switch on the outside unit on the heat pump. Uh, we have this scenario where we're calling for heat, but the outdoor unit is not coming on. Indoor fan is running, but on the outside nothing is happening. So in a single stage unit, first thing that we can do is to check for power coming out of the thermostat wire and see if we have 24 and we have 27 volts. So now it tells me that there is something going on with my control board or low voltage, and from there I just like to refer to my schematic, um, and then find out first if my high pressure switch or low pressure switch are open. So in order to do that, I need to understand which one is which. In this case, I'm gonna unplug this, and that's my high pressure switch, and check for continuity, right? So once I check for continuity, this one should be normally closed, so I should have continuity on it. Once I remember, right now I don't have power over here, so it's okay to use my meter in continuity. What we don't want is to apply power and then use our meter, because that can damage the meter. So my high pressure switch is closed, so that's good. Now I'm gonna check for my low voltage, my low pressure switch, and see if we have continuity on it. And then if we don't have continuity, right there, sorry about the movement, so there is no continuity. I have my two leads right here, so that's telling me that this pressure switch is open. In this scenario, I will say, it's two things happen. We have a leak somewhere, or the pressure switch have failed. So for us to find out which of the two, we just had to go and reconnect your high and low. And in this case, since we're looking for a scenario where I'm gonna bypass or pretend that you heard that? So now my contactor is pulled in, so now power should go through and then the fan and the compressor should start the cycle. Right now, in this scenario, I want to have my manifold gauges and check for pressures. If after checking that the pressures are low, then one, okay, I lost refrigerant, so I need refrigerant. Otherwise, the unit is never gonna come on. So I had to find out where the leak is. And two, if pressures are within range, because this happens as well, most likely like the pressure switch have failed and it needs to be replaced. So this is how a pressure switch look like. This is a good one, by the way. So this is what's causing the issue. It can be low on refrigerant, or it can be that the unit that the pressure switch itself has failed. So I have this for you today. I hope it helps somebody that come across this video. So again, this is helping to troubleshoot a low pressure switch, and then from here again it's a matter of hooking your gauges and then confirm that pressures are low, and then go to the next step to talk to the customer and let them know the situation and the options that you might have. Okay, keep doing what you love. Thank you.